and welcome to the room tour of a Skyline room with 2 queen beds at the Aventura Hotel. Let's check it out. When you first walk in this room, this full-length mirror is on the left side. Right here. Over to my right is a closet with a good amount of hangers, some extra bedding, iron. And okay, yeah, the ironing board is right here. And this particular room came with a stand-up shower. Here is the throne. Hello again. And here is the sink area. I like the way it's lit up, nice lighting. And I do like these shelves here so you can put your things here, tuck them away. Here's where you will find the hairdryer, and that is an awesome hairdryer. I don't bring my hairdryer when I come to this resort or Sapphire Falls because it's better than my own hairdryer. So that is a big plus. Okay, so I really like these room dividers. So this room has 2 queen beds. Okay, so let me show you this cool tablet that comes with the room. This is my favorite part. So like the TV, anything you want to watch, you just put it on there. So anything you need, you can just chat with the hotel services. I asked if I could have the robot, whose name is Relay, I found out, if he could deliver me some extra towels, and they said Relay is taking a day off. Wah, wah. I was really wanting to see a robot come to my door today, so I'm gonna be okay. But like, what if you brought your kid here and you're like, your kid, that's the main thing they want to do is see the robot, and the robot is not here. Anyway, let's get back. So yeah, it's so easy to talk to the front desk and just ask for anything you need. I had some extra shampoo and conditioners brought up to the room yesterday. They're very quick with all of that. And you can just look up, that's how you request items there. You can find out about the dining on here. Oh, this tells you about dining throughout Universal also. The lights, cool. I love this. So in the vestibule, would you like to see me do these lights? All from the tablet. Okay, and the desk lamp over there. The floor lamp from my tablet. Oh, wait a minute. I guess the bed lights, let's see here. Is that the only thing that you can't control from your tablet? Let's see. Maybe so, but each bed has a light, which I like. I really like this long headboard. It's just very sleek and modern hotel. Okay, are you ready to see this view? I am very happy with this view. So look at this. I can actually see, I have a very good view of the volcano. I need to remember to video that at night. Cabana Bay, I've been watching people getting off on the bus, getting ready to have their Universal adventure. So you get this long desk. And 1 drawer, 2 drawers here, 3 drawers. Okay, over here is your Cuisinart coffee maker. And below that, refrigerator. Got my drinks pretty cold. There's the safe. And then there's more shelves if you need to put things up here. I just discovered that. Okay, let's check out the rest of the resort, guys. Okay, look over here what they have here at Universal. They have all these Disney themed magic candles. Interesting. So at the Urban Pantry, you can order a pizza. Hello. Desserts, gelato. Okay. And you can also get cheeseburgers, buffalo chicken sandwich, chicken wings, salads and wraps. Have a good kids menu. Just gonna get what we have. Area for kids over here. So right when you leave the front lobby, you just walk out. Oh, here's my bus now. And you just walk right here to your right. And this is where the shuttles will pick you up and take you to City Walk, where you can go to Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios. And it's always super fast. So that's a big plus. get to your room at the hotel with intentions to going out, and then you get really cozy in your room, and you're really enjoying this view outside, and there's the volcano, and it's just a pretty night to just chill. Yeah. It's kind of what's happened to me, but you know what? I'm going to the Bar 17. It's only one floor above me, and I'm ready to go. Let's go. All right, here we go to Bar 17 Bistro. Isn't that cool? I'm excited. Change of plans. It's closed because of weather. Should have got there earlier. Okay, next plan. Let's head over to City Walk. Let's go. Kind of bummed because I didn't get the robot. He's taking a day off, and now Bar 17 is closed because of weather. Seems pretty nice to me. Anyway. I'm back at Universal Studios. I'm so excited. I have not been here. Okay, I have some good lighting over here. I haven't been here in quite a few months, and so it's so exciting. And I'm like a little kid in a candy shop because look at all these people leaving. Let's go ride some money. Goodbye, cool elevator. Till next time. Directions to Epcot Center. Look at there. 15 minutes, guys. It only takes 15 minutes. Okay, it's saying 16 minutes now. But now it's saying 14 minutes. It only takes 14 minutes for me to get from here to Epcot Center at Disney World, which is a lot of times less time than it'll take you to take
head east toward Sapphire Falls.
Excuse me, ma'am. It'll be quicker than if you were to take the Disney transportation. I'm just saying. I love me some Disney, but let's go to Disney. Let's go.